I live in a big city. I live in a big city. My city is busy. My city is busy. There are many people here. There are many people here. I like city life. I like city life. The streets are crowded. The streets are crowded. There are many shops. There are many shops. I go to the market. I go to the market. The market is nearby. The market is nearby. I visit the mall. I visit the mall. The mall is big. The mall is big. There is a park near my house. There is a park near my house. I walk in the park. I walk in the park. The park is clean. The park is clean. Children play in the park. Children play in the park. I go to the hospital sometimes. I go to the hospital sometimes. The hospital is open. The hospital is open. There is a school in my area. There is a school in my area. Students go to school daily. Students go to school daily. I work in an office building. I work in an office building. The office is tall. The office is tall. There is a bank nearby. There is a bank nearby. I go to the bank. I go to the bank. The bank is safe. The bank is safe. I use an ATM. I use an ATM. There is a restaurant here. There is a restaurant here. I eat at the restaurant. I eat at the restaurant. The restaurant is clean. The restaurant is clean. I like this place. I like this place. There is a bus stop outside. There is a bus stop outside. I wait at the bus stop. I wait at the bus stop. Buses arrive on time. Buses arrive on time. I travel by bus. I travel by bus. There is a train station. There is a train station. The train station is busy. The train station is busy. I buy a ticket. I buy a ticket. I stand in line. I stand in line. There is a police station. There is a police station. The police help people. The police help people. I feel safe here. I feel safe here. There is a library nearby. There is a library nearby. I read books in the library. I read books in the library. The library is quiet. The library is quiet. I enjoy quiet places. I enjoy quiet places. There is a post office. There is a post office. I send letters. I send letters. I receive packages. I receive packages. There is a cafe. There is a cafe. I drink coffee there. I drink coffee there. The cafe is cozy. The cafe is cozy. I meet friends there. I meet friends there. There is a cinema nearby. There is a cinema nearby. I watch movies there. I watch movies there. The cinema is popular. The cinema is popular. I like watching movies. I like watching movies. There is a gym nearby. There is a gym nearby. I exercise at the gym. I exercise at the gym. Exercise is healthy. Exercise is healthy. I stay active. I stay active. There is a swimming pool. There is a swimming pool. I swim on weekends. I swim on weekends. The pool is clean. The pool is clean. I enjoy swimming. I enjoy swimming. There is a hotel here. There is a hotel here. Tourists stay there. Tourists stay there. The hotel is comfortable. The hotel is comfortable. I help visitors. I help Visitors. There is a museum. There is a museum. I learn history there. I learn history there. The museum is interesting. The museum is interesting. I enjoy learning. I enjoy learning. There is a bridge. There is a bridge. Cars cross the bridge. Cars cross the bridge. Traffic is heavy. Traffic is heavy. I cross the road carefully. I cross the road carefully. There is a traffic signal. There is a traffic signal. I wait for green light. I wait for green light. Safety is important. Safety is important. I follow rules. I follow rules. There is a playground. There is a playground. Children play there. Children play there. The playground is fun. The playground is fun. I like open spaces. I like open spaces. There are tall buildings. There are tall buildings. The city looks beautiful at night. The city looks beautiful at night. Lights are bright. Lights are bright. I enjoy evening walks. I enjoy evening walks. The city never sleeps. The city never sleeps. Life is fast here. Life is fast here. I manage my time. I manage my time. City life is exciting. City life is exciting. I like exploring places. I like exploring places. I discover new areas. I discover new areas. I meet different people. I meet different people. People are helpful. People are helpful. I feel connected. I feel connected. I learn new things daily. I learn new things daily. City life teaches me a lot. City life teaches me a lot. I enjoy my city. I enjoy my city. Thank you for practicing today. Thank you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode.